Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. Thank you for joining us for another Walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm really excited because I'm here with Will Cellar. Will Cellar with Providence Homes, and he's going to be walking us through a quick move-in home that they currently have available. So Will, please
Yeah.
tell us where we're at.
Thanks, Alexis. We are here in the beautiful Seabrook Village at 179 Caiden Drive, steps away from the Seabrook Village Park, where we have two dog parks for big and small dogs, pool, pavilion, playground, lots of green space, tons of parking. It's an amazing spot to be walking distance to all of that.
Absolutely, this home's in a great location. So tell us a little bit about this house as we start to walk into it.
Yes, this is our SALT floor plan, and it is about 2,800 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. And Carling is highlighting our amazing front porch that goes all the way across the front of the home, which people
It is
love.
so cute. I could see a lot of little rocking chairs here. You could certainly fit a couch here. It's got a ton of curb appeal.
Yes.
And a corner lot.
Carling is also now highlighting the kind of 2-story foyer entry, that grand entrance.
Stunning. Tons of natural light as you walk into this home.
And here to the left, when you walk in, we added our study option. So you have these 2 beautiful light French doors with the glass. And then in the back of the room, this is a really large study, by the way, so you could fit in a huge desk, lots of chairs, put TV in there. If you didn't want to use it as a study, it could be another type of playroom or even a dining room.
Yeah, it's definitely a great flex room. Bathroom right off of the kitchen and living area.
Great guest bathroom there.
And then walking into this stunning
Yes.
kitchen. I was actually in awe when we walked in. I was like, wow, this is beautiful.
Yes. So the kitchen is amazing here with they carried the backsplash, from the countertop to the backsplash of quartz. The larger 5-burner 36-inch gas cooktop.
Yeah.
Because we're in Nocatee and we have natural gas in the community, so you don't have to have a propane tank.
Absolutely. Love that you guys did the cabinets all the way up. This island is massive.
Yep. Huge island that has the cabinet wrap on the back.
Absolutely. Two-toned with the island too, which I like.
Yes, and all these cabinets in here are in the kitchen are soft close, which is great too.
That's awesome.
Stacked to the ceiling, so that's a really nice upgrade.
Yeah.
It looks great.
Oh yeah. Love the pots and pans drawers, of course. That's underneath the stove. And then behind Carling is kind of your coffee/wine nook, whatever you want to use it. I love that there's more storage over here and it's kind of set aside on this side of the kitchen.
Definitely. That'd be a coffee bar for me.
Yeah.
Yeah. And over here you have the cafe and family room in this huge room that's kind of got cool access to the kitchen right over here.
Yeah. Great entertainer space. Yeah, quite a large living room. Again, with all the windows. You guys did an amazing job with all the windows here in this home.
Yep.
And the flooring is beautiful too, I just want to point out.
Yes, it's the luxury vinyl plank. We did it in a nice diagonal direction too.
Great drop zone right off of the 3-car garage, right, Will?
Yeah, 3-car garage.
3-car garage.
I get a lot of requests for that in Nocatee. Yeah. Everyone's got golf carts and tons of cars and bikes, and so a full 3-car garage is a rare find in Nocatee.
That's awesome. Everything in this home is bigger, including this laundry room.
Yes, this is a big home.
Yeah, I love that you guys did the storage as well as the open shelving here for the laundry room as well.
Definitely. So you can, if you've got a lot of people here, you got a lot of dirty laundry, this is a great spot for you.
Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Sliding glass door off of the lanai. And they already did some electrical work, 4 lights up top, and a gas drop too.
That's nice.
With a paver floor.
Beautiful. All right.
Yes, and then I really want to show you guys this pantry right here.
Okay.
Before we go to the owner's bedroom. Really big walk-in pantry here too.
That's nice, yep.
Put all your stuff.
Storage. Yeah.
Yep.
And then off to the owner's suite.
And into your owner's suite here. Another really big bedroom. 2 windows up front with lots of light coming in as well.
Oh yeah, it's a huge space. And we've filmed this floor plan before, and I really love it because of the flow of the house. And as we're seeing in the owner's suite, and Carling is kind of panning right now, you walk kind of through the, into the entry of your owner's suite, into the bedroom, and then you have the closets, and then this massive, beautiful.
And then something real quick too I wanted to point out, sorry to cut you off.
No, you're good, Will.
Was we have multiple zone thermostats for our home. So we have your own dedicated thermostat for this bedroom.
Perfect.
One for the family room area, and then one upstairs for all those bedrooms too.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So yeah, walking through past is it his and hers closets?
Yeah, we've got 2 closets in this one.
Right into the amazing bathroom.
Yes. Oh. Another closet there. Yep. And we were just talking about this bathroom before we went on air, about how huge that mirror is. And then when we framed it, it makes it look even bigger.
Yeah. It's always hard to tell too on camera how large something is, but if you could put into perspective how many drawers there are, as Carling is showing off kind of the space here, not only do you have drawers in the middle, you have drawers on either side. It's probably one of the biggest bathrooms, I would say, vanities we've ever seen. Especially this mirror. I love it very much.
Can you get a shot of the flooring too? We did the really big tile flooring too.
Beautiful.
The huge squares.
Yeah.
Yep.
Up the shower area. Lots of natural light in here. And then even a linen closet too for your towels and whatever you need.
And now we're going to go upstairs, where these bedrooms are definitely going to impress as well here. One last shot of the study here.
Yeah, it's actually, you can kind of just come right through. It makes a big circle in this house. So
yeah, there's a pocket door right here that Carling's showing you. So you could close that, in for more privacy.
All right, let's head upstairs. Now, like we had already talked about in the beginning, the Seabrook Park is so close, but not only that, you have access to all the other amazing amenities as a Nocatee resident. So our 2 award-winning water parks, you've got 3 other satellite pools outside of Seabrook Park, and then just tons of outdoor nature as well to enjoy as a resident.
Yes, and they just opened up the golf cart park or pathway from Reflections at Seabrook all the way to the Splash and Spray Park.
Well, this space is amazing, obviously. There's so much natural light up here in this upstairs
Yeah, and you've got those really cool kind of deeper box windows there. Huge loft up here for people to have like another hangout room, maybe to kids to have a playroom up here with the TV so that they're not, having all their messes downstairs.
That'd be great even for an office. You could see a pool table here.
Yes.
Kind of whatever you wanted it to be.
And now Carling's showing our first secondary bedroom. And all of these bedrooms up here have walk-in closets, which people love. The closets are really, really nice size for secondary bedrooms.
Yeah, I feel like all of the secondary bedrooms and and closets are huge. That is going to be something you'll see as we're walking through this upstairs area. Great bathroom. Oh, and something, I'm just realizing that I think we've pointed out before is none of the bedrooms share a wall.
Yes, that's a great point, Alexis. Thank you for bringing that up. So that just from sound purposes and privacy, that's a great thing. I know if you're, backing up someone's room, it's just not quite as private.
Right. So it's nice. Not only do you have these expansive rooms and closets, I keep wanting to say bathrooms, but you also don't have to share a wall with any of your family members.
And then this bedroom is great because it has an in-suite bathroom. Be perfect for guests to kind of have this private bathroom, huge room as well with another walk-in closet.
Perfect for your favorite child or your parents who are living with you or an adult or maybe even a roommate. So it's perfect.
And then we did the 8-foot tall doors up here as well, which people love.
Yeah, they're beautiful. And just walking through it as Carling is kind of coming through, it's so airy. And one thing, I don't know if we had panned over this, is you're looking over into the foyer area. I just want to see that. So It is just so tall. You'd have to obviously come and see it in person because, again, like I always say, it looks a little different on camera and way better in person.
Yes.
But okay, well, we're going to wrap up. So, Will, if you can remind our viewers where we are at, kind of bedroom and bath size of this home and how they can
Yes.
contact you.
Yeah, so this is the SALT floor plan. It's about 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath. And you can contact me at 904-228-8978. My name is Will Cellar with Providence Homes.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Will.
Yeah.
We hope you guys are having a great day. Definitely want to come and talk with Will if you're interested in this home because it's probably not going to last very long. But we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.